How to find or reset your PIN on Android. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you what you can do if you forgot your lock screen PIN and how to change it. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Here, scroll down and tap on Passwords and Security. Here, tap on Screen Lock. Keep in mind, you'll need to enter your current PIN to view or change it. If you remember your PIN, simply enter it in, then tap on PIN again to set a new one. But if you don't remember your PIN, Android does not show your existing PIN for security reasons. In that case, your main option is to reset your device. You can do this by going to Settings, then Additional Settings, and at the bottom, tap on Factory Reset. Just remember, this will erase all data from your phone, so make sure everything is backed up first. After the reset, you can set up your device again and create a new PIN. And that's it. That's how you can deal with a forgotten PIN on your Android device.